Real? Are you frying? Nah. Chocolate cookies frying in the pan. Nice. Nah, look at this. Bah. The sound effect. Oh my god. Nah. Stop thinking what I'm thinking, okay? It's enough when one of us is already thinking like that, okay? Okay. Healthy? More mice? Rice? Bah, nah, you gotta be kidding me. Nah.
Oh my god.
It's disgusting.
So awful.
Yeah! I never thought I would see the day that somebody tells the truth. Yeah! He committed to this bomb. What a day to be alive. Oh my god. Okay, dude, GG, that was funny. Too bad about wasting the food, but that was funny, okay? You got it.